YouTube are in the habit of regularly updating the user's UI, user interface experience, both on desktop and mobile. In the past few weeks, YouTube have announced a raft of UI updates, particularly on the YouTube mobile app. We've seen many of these updates already get applied on mobile, so here's 4 recent changes that will be the most helpful to you as a creator. Combining the Library tab with your account and channel profile brings you to a new unified Utab. Here you'll find the direct link to your channel page, the account switcher for switching between linked channels, access to your Google account, shows your watch history for your current channel, your playlists, your video library, your clips, your viewing subscriptions such as YouTube Premium, and access to the help and feedback features. The central plus or create button now brings you to a unified place to upload your video content, to create shorts, to go live, or to post community posts. You can slide left and right to access each option. Now this is a niche one, but if you're looking for the live chat replay on a recent live stream VOD, it's not immediately clear on how to find it. What you need to do is navigate to the live stream, scroll down to the comment bar, and swipe left. The option to display the live chat replay appears, if available. When you look at a channel page, the channel banner will now have rounded corners, just like thumbnails. Tapping the channel description will take you right to the About page, and tapping the links bar will open up a link tree of sorts of all the relevant links the channel wants to share. Which of these 4 were you most interested in? Now, is there another UI update that I didn't mention that you either like or dislike? Let's have that conversation down in the comments. Now, if you're a mobile-only creator and would like to access all the features of YouTube Studio, make sure to watch this video right here. Well, this is Doug. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you later.